In order to quote an MAPD, you need to have the general information for the client. You can click the name to do that, or you can click the edit button over here. Either one will pull this up. You need to make sure that you've got their birthday, male or female. You also need to have a correct address in there with zip code and county. And you need an effective date and Part A and Part B dates as well. And to make sure that you are listed yourself as the lead owner. Once you have those information in there from this main information screen, you can add pharmacies. And they are all search functions. So you can find a Walgreens there. We'll save that. You can add doctors. You can change it from primary to specialist. We'll go ahead and add another doctor here. Dr. Livingston. Prescriptions, same thing. You can add prescriptions that you want to look up here. We'll add lisinopril, 1 a day. Save that. Once you got all the information here that you've collected from the client, you can go to the quoting screen. Once you're on the quote screen here, you're going to click MAPDs to quote. You can also filter on and off providers, pharmacies, and meds, so if it makes a difference for you. Once you're here, you can see the provider coverage, who's in or out of network. It'll tell you if they're in network as well. It'll give you their address and MPI number. If you want to see prescription costs here, you can click the prescriptions button. It's going to list the medication, the tier, and if there's any restrictions for you. And you can see the cost by month. You can see the cost by plan tier at the retail pharmacy, 90-day supply, and you can also see summary of benefits for the plan. If you want to send a quote for the plan, you can simply check the ones you want to send, click the email button, and it will send the quote. And don't forget, before all of that information is given to a client, you need a scope of appointment. Scope of appointment is simple click of a button. Click that, send it. Once you send a scope, it will show up here in the scope history of when it was sent. Once the client has completed it, which is only 2 clicks, to open up the email and click their name and submit, it'll show up as completed right here, and you can view that completed scope of appointment so you can give the client the quote. You can also search and sort by all these criteria. You can add household discounts if there are anything like that. If you want to compare plans, you can click which ones you want to compare, hit the little I to compare, and now you have a side-by-side view of all the plan details, co-pays, max out-of-pocket, additional benefits, does it have dental, what are the vision benefits, hearing, fitness, all sorts of other goods.